I'm Megan, welcome to my crib. I think the first thing people probably notice when they enter my room is all of the stuff on this wall. It's kind of the most densely populated with decor. My favorite parts are like my posters, because they're all kind of matching. I got them in Portsmouth, so that's fun. And now I work at the store that I got them from. I also like all my pictures because I have lots of my friends and family, and then pictures of all of the places I've been. And then my plants as well. I usually kill them, but these ones are alive still, so. I have my cowboy hat, which I like to wear to hockey games and football games and stuff. I love to go to the sporting events. Just like fun UNH pride. I love floor time, so having a carpet makes it so much homier because then I can spend time on the floor and it's not cold and miserable. I'm a huge outdoorsy kind of girl, so I like to hike and stuff, so all of my outdoor themed stuff kind of represents me. And then my snack cart, my emotional support snacks. Big Gushers girl. Freshman year, I went a little crazy and got like all the snacks we never bought when I was a kid. And then I got stomach aches because I only ate junk food. And then I went back to like cheese and crackers. Being an RA has definitely been a beneficial experience for me because it's taught me like a lot about my leadership skills and time management and all that stuff. Never a dull moment is probably the most appropriate way to describe it. Every semester, we make door decks for all of our residents, and then as an RA, we make door decks for some of our co-RAs. All my co-RAs this year have made me one, and I like to keep them up so that people know that it's the RA's room. Thanks for stopping by.